Okay, if you're curious how we permanently fix these pinholes, well, stick around. I've got a repair job for you. After shutting off the water to the riser, I'm going to cut out a section of pipe. We can't do the whole building. Obviously, there's going to be more pinholes in this area. They're caused by these calcium deposits that you can see here inside of the pipe. After cutting the pipe out, we need to clean the pipe and cut a new section to go back in place. This one was about 10.5 inches that we were going to do. We couldn't really access much more. Right here, I'm just smoothing the edges of the pipe so that they don't cut the gasket on the fittings that I'm going to be using. These are going to be Pro Press couplings. They don't require any soldering. They use a special tool in order to crimp down on the pipe so that it creates a watertight seal with this gasket. It's a little tool right here, fits perfectly behind the wall, and here's a little action of it compressing the fitting down. Hey, if you made it all the way through this repair, do me a favor, hit the like button, hit the follow button. I do tons of tutorials, and feel free to request something in the comment section, and you guys have